Hey fam, welcome back. In today's video, I thought it would be fun to unbox my BoxyCharm base and premium with you for the month of April 2021. And if that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and stay tuned. We're gonna get into it right now. I know I am a little late on these this month.
You're late.
What?
You're late.
And it was traffic.
Yeah, it's traffic.
But my premium box did take a bit longer to get here, so I wanted to unbox these together. So let's go ahead and start with our base box first. And here is a little sneak peek. The theme this month was BoxyCharm sweet treats, I'm sure for like Easter and candy and all that good stuff. It does include all the products and prices on the back, which we will go over at the end. And let's see what our first product is. So the first product I see in the box was actually my choice product. This is the Touch in Sol Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. It's silicone free and has a cooling effect. Touch in Sol is a Korean beauty brand. This is the beautiful component. It has like a bit of a rose smell. And for someone that does not like rose, this is really pleasant. It almost feels like a rose mixed with like fruit, sort of like tamper down the floral notes. The consistency is so funky. It's like almost like a gel. It looks pink in the container, but you can see it kind of swatches more clear. If I rub this product on the back of my hand, it definitely seems to have a bit of a blurring effect. It's on this hand versus this hand. It seems like it adds kind of a, like they say, a pretty filter. So I am super excited to try this product. Touch in Sol does make one of my absolute favorite primers. It's their No Problem primer. I love that primer. And this seems to have that same blurring effect, but you can definitely feel a little bit of like a cooling property, which is so nice going into summer. When we'll have much hotter temperatures, I think this will be really refreshing. The next product I see in my box is from Terre de Mars. I know Terre is like Earth of Mars. Hi. This is in French. Oh, it's a body cleanser. I'm like, what is this? We've got 5.07 fluid ounces. It is more of a gel formula and it has a fresh, like a lemony citrus scent. This smells delightful. It says an organic, certified, aromatic and soft cleanser suitable for all skin types, infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee and rosemary extracts in fusion with Verena oil. Together they tone, purify, and protect the skin, while aloe vera nourishes and softens it. It leaves a clean, refreshed, and toned skin without drying. So this sounds fantastic. I'm actually really excited to try this, and I love that it's French. It's just always so neat to try something from another region. The next product I see in my box is this one from Dragunbeauty. This is the Dragunfire color corrector, and it's in the shade Lavendar. Now I do know that lavender is a color corrector for yellow in skin. So what I may try is using this over like sunspots. I don't know if they would be considered yellow or if I would need something else, but we've got a little purple component. I'm curious. I'm curious to learn more about color correctors, to get better with them, to understand them a little bit better, and how I can improve the appearance of my skin using them. So I'm excited to try this. I have her dark orange one that I haven't really gotten a whole lot of use out of. So hopefully I'll get a little bit more use out of this lavender one. Then we have two products left for our base box. The first of which will be a giveaway item. Now I do have a current giveaway going on my channel. I'll leave the thumbnail right here in case you're interested in entering that giveaway, where I'll be giving away a large quantity of products to 2 lucky winners. I do wish I had unlimited resources and unlimited finances that I could send products to all of y'all. Nothing would make me happier. But just in case I don't draw your name for that giveaway, please do not fret, because I will have continuous giveaways going on in my channel. But this item will be in my next giveaway. And that is the Unicorn Dust Highlighting Palette from TrendBeauty. And these are the beautiful shades. We have a pink highlighter, we have more of a gold in the center, and we have more of a champagne on the end. And I think they would do well on a light to medium skin tone. And then my last product in the box is by far the most exciting product. I did get the Natasha Denona Jubilee palette, and this is what she looks like. It looks like maybe the tan and pink have crumbled a teeny tiny bit, a little bit of fallout, but the pans themselves look fine. It probably just got jostled a little bit when it shipped, but this does come with a like peachy tan matte, more of like a watermelon matte, and then we have 3 shimmers, a gold, a blue, which that might be her cream to matte formula, and then we have this pretty light, like a seafoam blue. It's so pretty. So this is definitely fun for spring. To be honest, I was hoping for the more neutral cool tone palette. However, I do have some happy news about that, and we will get into that little fun story after we unbox the premium box. So overall, I think the base box was really nice this month. We got a nice variety of products, some exciting brands, and I even have a giveaway product for one of y'all, which always makes me so excited. So let's go over some prices. Okay, so we have the Natasha Denona Jubilee eyeshadow palette. This one retails for $48. We have the Touch in Sol Icy Sherbet Primer. This retails for $32. We have the TrendBeauty Dragunfire Color Corrector. This retails for $25. We have the TrendBeauty Unicorn Dust Highlighting Palette that retails for $12.50. And last we have the Terre de Mars 008 Reddition Body Cleanser. This retails for $22. I'm actually surprised. I thought this might have been more expensive just because it's from France and it smelled so amazing, and it's got really great claims, and it looks like it's got pretty good ingredients. Now let's get into our premium box. So here is a little sneak peek. The first product I see in the premium box is this 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. This is a very expensive pack of masks. There are 5 in here. They're all sheet masks, and actually, instead of waiting until the end of premium, I'm gonna go ahead and get into my story now. So I did receive an email from BoxyCharm prior to receiving my premium box, informing me that there were actually 3 duplicate products that I received this month that I've received in the past. However, they said to make it right, they sent me $25 that I could use in the pop-up shop, either this month or next month or something like that. So I was like, wow, that's really nice. And so I logged into the pop-up shop just to see if they had anything that I would like. And they actually had the Natasha Denona Cool Tone palette, the other variation to the Jubilee. And they didn't have that previously when I had placed my pop-up order. So I was so excited I was able to get that. I think a Natasha Denona liquid lipstick. And I also got the, I think it's like Queen, like it's QVEEN. They had some kind of mascara that I heard Better Off Red raving about. It was like $5 or $6. So I added that too, and I was able to get like the palette I really wanted, plus a liquid lipstick and a mascara, because they said they sent me some duplicate products. When I got my premium box, this was the first one that I recognized. I did receive this in my BoxyCharm Luxe, I think our last Luxe. Maybe it was December. I can't remember, I don't know, but I got it in a Luxe box. But I don't know what else they think they sent me before. I'm not positive. It may be that one of my pop-up orders, I purchased something that they then subsequently sent to me again. Maybe that's what they meant. I recognized that product. And then the third one, I have no idea what they're talking about. So I don't know. I didn't mind. Since these masks are all single use, it just gives me an extra 5 masks. So that's kind of cool. And the other product that I bought in pop-up that they sent me, I can actually give to one of y'all in my next giveaway. So again, like I said, I have the 2 winners going on right now, but don't fret if you don't win that giveaway because I'm already working on my next one. So there will be more. So speaking of that second product, I have this one here from Roen. This is in the shade Charlie. This is a lip gloss. It's in a really pretty color. And I hadn't received this in my BoxyCharm box, but they had this in pop-up, I think last month. And I added it because I really am interested in the brand Roen. I have one of their eyeshadow quads, and I'd like to try more from the brand. This is a really beautiful color. So this and the Unicorn Highlighting Palette will be part of my next giveaway. And then everything else I don't think is a repeat, I'm not sure. I got the Wander Beauty Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate. I feel like this was a choice product for one of the boxes, but it wasn't what I chose. However, I've heard so many great things about this product since I made my choice. I think, if I'm not just like remembering things wrong, I'm almost positive this was a choice product. And after I made my choices and I heard so many good things about this one, I almost kind of regretted not getting this because it was so highly raved about. So when I saw it in my premium box, I was really, really happy. I was happy to get this product. I can't wait to try it. Let's look at some of the claims. It says it amps up skin's natural renewal process, maximizing your time between the sheets while you sleep. 1% retinoid helps diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone and texture. All concerns of mine, all things I would love some help with. So I'm really excited to try this product and see if it can do some good things for my skin. The next product in my box was this one from Dose of Colors. This is a lip liner in the shade Ruffled. It's a silver component with this little like pointy tip. And it is a retractable that you can just twist up and down. And then we have the color here on the end. It's like a pretty natural shade. And I think this is a sharpener, if I'm not mistaken. So that's actually really exciting. Looks like a great nude shade for my lip tone. and I'm excited to try a lip liner from Dose of Colors. I've never tried a lip liner from their line. The next product I received in my premium box is this Marc Jacobs Undercover Blurring Coconut Face Primer. I was so excited. I think people have found these at TJ Maxx, but I haven't personally found them. So I'm really excited to try this primer under foundation and see what it can do for my skin. I'm so happy to see a Marc Jacobs product in this box. I think this month is kicking butt so far. And the last product in this box was my choice product, and that is the Natasha Denona Coral Palette. So 2 full-size 5-pan Natasha Denona palettes this month. Come through, Boxy. So here we have the Coral Palette. It is so beautiful. This center shade looks absolutely exquisite. This is such a pretty palette for spring, I think. Or you could obviously pull that out for fall, but I think it's really giving me spring vibes. I'm so excited to play with this. I can't wait for that cool tone palette to come from pop-up. I'm just wilding in Natasha Denona heaven this month. Okay, so now let's go over some prices. So our Wander Beauty Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate retails for a whopping $68. The Natasha Denona Coral Eyeshadow Palette retails for $48. Our duplicate product, the 111 Skin Face Mask Set, there's 5 face masks again, retails for $135. Insane. Insane.
Oh, okay. Oh, you crazy.
I will enjoy these face masks, every one of them, while they last. The Marc Jacobs Beauty Undercover Blurring Coconut Face Primer retails for $39. Our Roen Beauty Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm, which is going to one of y'all, retails for $26. And lastly, our Dose of Colors Lip Liner retails for $14. So I think this month Boxy knocked it out of the park. I was so excited with all of these products. I was so excited to get 2 Natasha Denona eyeshadow palettes. It was just incredible. And then to be able to add some more in pop-up. They had such great pop-up options this month as well. I am so happy to be a subscriber to this amazing subscription. They continue to impress me. And even if we have some bad months, we have some months where we don't necessarily see eye to eye. For the most part, I have enjoyed subscribing to BoxyCharm over the last 2+ years so much, and I really love the opportunities they give us in pop-up and add-ons. I think their customer service has really made leaps and bounds to improve themselves. I was so excited to see that email even before I received my box, where they were taking care of the fact that I've received like 2 of these products before between add-ons and my subscription service. I think they just did a really great job, and I couldn't be more thrilled. I'm so excited too to have 2 products to pass on to you guys. I'm just so impressed with both of these boxes, and I hope you guys enjoyed these unboxings. Let me know what your favorite products were in the comments down below. I thank you all so much for being here with me today. I love you all so much, and until the next video, bye.